Hello everybody. Guess I ain't posted up in a while, so I guess I'll go and share with you now. If y'all don't know, I'm Sean, aka Black Sean 007, and I'm the guy with all the Mazda 626s. And this time around, I'm actually doing a little maintenance on my slow car here. So for the longest, my check engine light has been coming on. No. Let me take the lie back. Check engine light never came on, and it's always been a shake on startup, and I could never figure out what the hell it was. And then finally, the check engine light comes on. It says I got a misfire, and the misfire was on number one. And I think the injector took a crap, and that's what I'm about to do today. So I done already pulled out the little fuel rail and everything, and interesting. As much as I want to just swap it out, I'm not gonna swap out that injector. I'm just gonna swap out the whole rail, only because I'm that lazy. Okay, and then hopefully we start this guy back up and it's not misfire, and then hopefully life should be good. So okay, so give you some backstory. A couple years back I ended up replacing the injectors, and because it had a misfire. I forget what cylinder it was though, but I replaced them, and now one of them was starting to act up. So instead of I'm gonna use this fuel rail to kind of scratch my head here, because that's what manly car guys do, right? We use parts to scratch ourselves, right? That's what we do, right? Yeah, but anyway, so the injector went bad, and now I guess 2 years later, number one's acting up. So given that I'm good at what I do most of the time, I'm still an idiot. Let's not deny those claims now. I'm going to just replace the rail because I don't feel like popping out the cap and popping out the injector and only replacing one. I figure I'm just gonna replace all three at one time and keep it pushing, because slow cars, it's always been pretty sturdy. All right, so make sure I'm putting that in the right way, but yeah. If anyone's ever replaced an injector, these sometimes can get all the way annoying. So, but here I'm lazy, and let me get that leaf out of there. I don't want the leaf out of there. I don't want the leaf in there, shall I say? But yeah. Wiggle that in there like so, and voila. You can do it, little buddy. Alright. Oh, we gotta make sure we got the little grommets on there too, before we actually decide to lock it down. So all three of the grommets is on there, and then I'm gonna use my fancy little pliers there. We gotta make sure we put those spacers on there, and then work the bolts on top of it. And then once when you do that, then everything will be fantastic. And tighten up the little banjo bolt there on both sides there. And I kind of cheated on the field line because that's what I do. I gotta push that back to where it's supposed to be. And then I'm gonna put the banjo bolt in there. Only got two hands. So, and it's only me one here for now. So, and then after that, alright, so I think I got everything plugged back in. I got the intake hose on, the air intake, and we're gonna talk about my intake in a little bit. I'm gonna redo it, but that's gonna be a whole nother day, a whole nother video. Meantime, I'm about to prime up the fuel system first to confirm that we ain't got no fuel leaks, and hopefully everything will be back to normal again, hopefully. Okay, so we're gonna go through here. And forgive my dirty floor. I've been working. Oh, I got to turn the key on. And it ain't gonna load up. wipers off and turn the AC off. Don't already know what's going on with the AC, right? Let that load up for a second. Yeah, you see that? 1 DTC. And we're gonna read the codes. And see, cylinder 1 misfire detected. Alright, so hopefully I fixed the problem. No, I don't want to exit, but I will erase the code. Okay, so that's erased. We'll hit OK again, and then, well, we got to prime up the fuel system. So that's the main thing. Now, the way you prime up the fuel system, because it needs to detect cam position sensor. I'm gonna bump the starter a couple times, you know, by, you know, just, and you kind of heard the fuel pump come on for a second if you did hear the fuel pump. And I'm gonna bump it again. All right, now let's go check the fuel leaks, because I'm not trying to be on the side of the road, because the car done caught on fire and stuff. And so far we're looking good. And let's move that out the way. Fire this puppy up, shall we? And I'm able to do that because I disabled the starter switch. Probably another video, but you know, whatever. Oops, come on. Okay. And we're misfire. Right. 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 Okay, all right. Full disclaimer, you probably shouldn't rev it after the engine been cold, but you know, that's how you tear up stuff, but yeah. All right, so got it going, so not the desired effect, but maybe because you ain't have fuel in it, but it's still doing the same thing. I'm gonna go, you know, I'm just gonna drive it to the mission place, see if we get enough monitors, as I said, and hopefully it should pass missions. Hopefully I get enough monitors cleared so this baby could pass some emissions. So but see, look, I'm gonna start up now and then it's gonna start up nice and smooth. You see this? And see that's what it do. So I guess let's go ahead and step over my thing here. And then we're going to be on the way. I'm so weird, y'all. Like my weirdness. I do pray for your souls. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing in the meantime is I'm going to be. This is what I do on every drive cycle. Is I have to ride with this thing cooked up on here, and then what I'm going to be looking for is we can go IM readiness. Oh, come on, are you kidding me? Okay, it wants to act funny, but yeah, it wants to act funny. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, on a quest to doing the missions, I picked up a scallywag on the way. So meet Lando and his incredibly little shirt that he got from his little brother. What's your little brother's shirt? Little brother name? Whose shirt you took it from?
Jimmy.
Jimmy. He took it from Jimmy. So yeah, so we gotta go drive to go do missions, and everything hopefully should be all good. Yeah, so gotta start the YouTube vlog back up again since I've been neglecting all my people.
Gotcha.
had to change an injector, to which I don't think that's the problem. I got a feeling that I got an issue with my computer. So I hope that's not the case. But hopefully it should be enough to get this thing to pass emissions, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, my floor mat is sticking here. But we'll figure it out. All right, so my bad for not filming the whole process though, but it passed emissions, so got the paper right here. Yay! So, but yeah, I basically drove it for like 6 miles, and I had enough monitors to set, and the check engine light ain't been back on since, but it's still acting funny. But I gotta do some other work to it anyway, so we'll get to it. All right, so gotta go. Love, peace, hair geeks.